Welcome to the Unit 4 Test Review Sheet Solution tutorial. I will be covering number 4, which is rank the following function from nearest to widest. To do this, you have to look at the core concept that we went over in class. That is, the nearest and widest is governed by the a value. If a equals to 1, it stays the same. If the absolute value of a is bigger than 1, the parabola gets narrower. And if it's a fraction in between 1 and 0, it gets wider. To do that, we can just go back and grab our a values from before. That's the reason why we label the a values. And we're just only going to look at the absolute value. So, if we are looking from the narrowest to widest, we can now rank them. So the narrowest, based on the core concept, it says when a is bigger than 1, the absolute value is bigger than 1. So that would be b. That is bigger than 1. Okay? Then the widest is going to be the fraction. So the widest is going to be the 1/2. Then what's in the middle would be this value. So here you go. This is the narrowest all the way to the widest by looking at the a value. Again, you're looking at the absolute value. So this is number 3. This is 3, narrowest, then 2, then 1/2. I'm going to graph it for you to double check. Hang on. Here I graph all 3. The first one, which is in red, this is the narrowest. Then we have the second one, a little bit bigger. Then we have the widest, which is the last one. You see how big that green is, right? And that all, again, it depends on this value in front. If I want to make this simpler, I can just graph it like this. I just remove the h and the k, and I can just look at the parent function. And again, I don't care about that negative. So notice it starts from 3. That's the narrowest. Then it gets to the a equals to 2 value, which is in blue. Then it gets to the 1/2, which is in green, which is the widest. It is all governed by the a value. There you go. That is how you do number 3 or 4.